Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Tesla cars are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The coils match the manifest, but we're still short on the battery components.
I'll check the next shipment ETA on the tablet.
This high-tech environment allows us to engineer battery components for peak efficiency and lasting performance.
Look at the voltage in line 3.
Adjusting the flow regulator now. Temperature spike is resolving.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.